Now, the Environment and Forestry Cabinet Secretary Soipan Tuya has warned senior managers at the Kenya Forest Service that they will not be spared if found to be in contravention of the law in discharging their duties. The CS implemented the President's sack order for 23 Kenya Forest Service officers, as Brenda Wanga now reports.
Barely 24 hours after President William Ruto called for the acts against rogue Kenya Forest Service officials, the marching orders were being implemented at the Kenya Forest Service headquarters in Nairobi.
I said that these 23 are those whose investigations have been completed and have been found culpable of gross misconduct. There is a whole other array of officers of different levels who are under investigations, and we are going to take stern action until we are on the same page with everybody.
The president had in his speech during the Kenya Forest Service pass-out parade in Gilgil on Wednesday been categorical.
Those who have been found either compromised, incompetent, or engaged in corruption in this space that has led to the destruction of our forest assets, I have instructed the board to remove them from being officers of government and workers of government, and as the DCI is concluding investigations, to make sure that these people are prosecuted.
The ministry's investigations into officers in the Forest Department will stretch much further up the management levels.
And we are here again to send a strong warning to all the Kenya Forest Service officers, including the board of directors, the management, that there will be no sacred cows. Anyone found abetting, aiding, or conniving to deplete our forest resources will face the full force of the law.
The tough stand on forest conservation from both the president and the CS coming in the wake of an increase in illegal logging in forests across the country since the lifting of the ban on logging earlier in the year. The CS says that lifting has been misinterpreted and exposed some of the country's key ecosystems to destruction.
The illegal activities are actually very rampant. We have 10 conservancies across the country. But the Mao Forest Conservancy, which covers all the 21 blocks, is one such notorious conservancy.
The sacked officers are set to go through the judicial processes as the government seeks to send a strong signal of intolerance to forest destruction. This, as the ministry says, it is planning to plant a total of 500 million trees in the next 2 months during the anticipated short rains, a number that will contribute to the ambitious campaign of planting 15 billion trees by 2032. Brenda Wanga, Citizen TV.